right, people, I got a plan here for AMZN, Amazon. This stock's a little bit more of a, it is a choppy stock, but we are set up for a nice run up into earnings, and this can happen. I'm going to show you why, but let's talk about the confirmation of this, and I might need to make more updates. The stock has theoretically is trending and is broken up. Power Trigger Trade Shy actually, entered into this in that around the $1,012 area, and there was a good, he got a good maybe 200% gains on this move using the July 21 $1,030 calls. However, now there's a new plan that I want to talk about here. We're going to try to catch to make some good gains, maybe a couple 100% gains as well. So Amazon is set up to test 1,070 to 1,080. The July 28, 1,100 calls could be used if this can confirm soon. The thing is, the stock might need to relax a little bit, might need to relax for a day. We might get a better entry, we may not be able to. So we'll see. It is a little bit overbought. It might need to relax before trying to pop. Okay, earnings are July 29th, so these options will work. You want to make, when you make 100% gains, you want to take profits, you want to hold runners. You don't want to go too large with this. This is again a weekly option play. All right. Now, how do we enter this? Okay, now, so pay attention to this part here. So Amazon needs to break above 1,031 on some good action volume before I get in to confirm the next move. And good action volume is 600K on a 10-minute chart. Now, if the volume is less than that, now I'll explain the key facts of it. So it's the same, people. A fact is that Amazon might, if the volume comes in, smashing through 1,031 with good volume, that'd be an early way to enter this thing. Now, if we don't get the volume, what I would do, and what I know to look for, is we would watch for basing above 1,031 and look for power through 1,033 to 1,034. Okay, Amazon moves. I'll tell you right. It is trending now. Another thing about this stock is it does have some support levels. And I thought I wrote these down, but I'm going to tell you in the video. If we happen to bounce around the 1,020 area, that is a support level because it's trending. Okay, the stock is trending. And the next support is 1,010. I mean, we may never get none of these pullbacks. We may, the most of it might pull back is to 1,020. That could be another way to enter into these calls, but I'm not supporting that play. That is up to the individual. Okay. What I'm explaining is the breakout component, but I wanted to let you know that there is a support zone at 1,020 and 1,010. And so basing above those areas, some sort of strength. Sometimes you might only get it $2-3 above the 1,020. And you might say, you know what, let me take a shot with those July 28 options that Power Trigger Trade explained. Let's go take a look at the options together, people, why I chose those ones. All right, people, so here I am at Yahoo Finance. Let me fix that up. So here we are at Yahoo Finance. Amazon closed at $1,026 on July the 19th. Now, let me put up the options. All right, so here I have the July 28 options up for Amazon. Let's go take a look at those. And, they're expensive. Amazon, as you can see, is very expensive. But let me show you what's interesting here. You see these 1,100 calls? Yeah, they do cost money, right? But look at this. What today? Wasn't this interesting? 2,088 calls were purchased. So you see, these things here could double, triple. You don't buy as many of these, okay? If someone can only buy one, you buy one. You buy 10, you buy 10. I mean, confirmation, these are going to cost in the $4, $4.50 area. We might be able to get them cheaper, $2.50 on, like I explained, the support zone. So listen carefully to this very detailed video, because Amazon is trending, and Amazon can pop towards those levels, and these options can gain 200-300% gains. And look at this. There was something interesting in these options happening. Now, that's not the only reason, but it's the ones that are trading very, very, very well. Okay, you can see there's a lot of new open interest in this. Compared to all the other options in the volume, right? Doesn't matter which ones you want to look at. These had a lot of volume. All right, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great plans. People, very few people or very few services post anything remotely as good or detailed as these plans that you're witnessing every day. They make money. I post so many Apple plans and BA plans and FedEx plans, and very detailed that make money. It's unreal. And yet I see the most worthless information posted on StockTwits from pros, and they're wrong a tons, and nothing near what I'm doing. It's almost like you struck gold. And again, you know what? I think, my opinion, most people on StockTwits are going to lose money. They don't want to study. They don't want to learn. They don't want to be patient. My videos are really geared to the top 10% who want to become successful in the market. Follow my stream. That's what I'm about. I want my followers to make money. Anyways, people, see the Sandro Power Trigger Trade? It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to be easy ways to subscribe. I suggest you subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'll be doing some special super chat sessions in the future. And you want to follow me on all formats. Power Trigger Trade on StockTwits or on Twitter. Okay, and of course follow me on Power Target Trades. And in case all the videos are very well organized, I would check out my created playlist. I put a lot of special videos there, powerful information. They'll open your eyes. No one is doing it. This is like a gold site, and it's really for the intelligent people. Thanks for listening. Like the video.